you guys can see, we got dumped on with snow. I never had this put away, so I'm gonna clean this out. And what we're gonna do today is head out to the trails where I normally catch rabbit, and we're gonna pack the snow down, go up and down the trail a couple times and take you guys along and get some cool footage, some nice winterland footage here in Canada. This puppy warm up a bit there now, and test out these new tires we put on a couple weeks ago. Ooh. It's okay. I'll be able to repair it. No harm, no foul. Well, I'm glad you guys came along to get outdoors, enjoy a bit of nature, and break a trail here. So I got to see some good spots here where I'll be doing a bit of rabbit catching in the near future. So thanks again, guys. Appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you on the next one.